This man right here is my great-grandfather. He's the first cat herder in the family.
Don't let anyone tell you that it's easy.
Anybody can herd cattle, but to herd tens of thousands of wild short hairs, now that's another story.
Being a cat herder is probably about the toughest thing I think I've ever done.
Well, as you can see, I got this one this morning right here, and if you look at his face, he's just torn to shreds.
You see the movies, you hear the stories. I'm living the dream. Not everyone can do what we can do.
I wouldn't want to do anything else.
It ain't an easy job, but when you bring a herd into town and you haven't lost a one of them, there ain't a feeling like it in the world.